Hey guys, Leslie here with the haul from Plannersisterstickers. Not too many stickers in this stack. I do have, I think, still one more stack that I could film a haul of. We'll see. You guys have really been enjoying these. So this one's all about oranges in this kit, so I like that. There's like an orange tree in her house. There's a letter O, and then she has like peace, and then she has like reddish hair. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then everything is oranges and citrus, and I'm definitely going to be doing some citrus clips coming up. I'm pretty sure I have one, not the week of the birthday sale, but I do have plans to do a clip that's specifically matching this kit. There's like an orange cake here, some orange fun drink, some orange, I don't know, cake, cheesecake, I'm not sure, but that's kind of fun. This might be a macaroon over here, not sure. But orange nails, nails with oranges on them, hat with oranges, so cute. And then you've got your checklist and functionals, and then the colors are kind of like cream, orange, and green. And then look at that bottom washi with all those bows, so cute. And then here's your headers and half boxes. Look at this deco. There's an orange popsicle. I think I need to make that. An orange popsicle? I like this. Maybe I need to do this closer to the school year when we're buying school supplies. Like, it's a summer kit, but then it's like there's a backpack, so I don't know. And then there's a girl in the kitchen. Oh, her shirt says tangerine. That's funny. All right, and then there's some date covers. I love the oranges on that one. And then this one is a summer one. So this one says Sugar Bake Shop. I actually do have a cupcake store that I frequent. Shout out to Star Cakes. Buttercream Dream, and then there's like a beach scene, and then she's holding a bunch of flowers. Hello Summer tote bag. So you know my little summer tote bag is definitely going to go with this kit. Love that. There's some pink lemonade, I'm going to call it. Some tiny popsicles. A little like walking, I don't know if you want to call it, like a boardwalk kind of like picture. That's what it looks like to me, boardwalk. Kind of pastel colors, but not super light, like a bolder pastel. Because these colors do kind of remind me of Easter M&Ms, but I still like them. This one has like clouds and silver stars. And there's your headers and half boxes. And then here's the deco. There's a camera. There's some seashells and starfish and a little outfit. There's the girls again, and then a hat that says love. Yeah. And then we've got some girls standing in front of the bake shop. And then we've got our date covers that match the bottom washi. All right, and then this kit is definitely a back to school kit. It's got like the girls in their overalls and stuff and socks. I'm not sure. They could be teachers. I don't know. I feel like I've seen some of my son's teachers dress like that, like elementary school, but I haven't seen a lot of high school teachers dress like that. So there's a coffee cup that says Teacher Fuel. I feel like I need to make one that looks like that. There's a mug that says A+. I'm pretty sure I've done that. I've done A+ as a sticker. This one has like a teacher outfit, and then a stack of books with flowers and a clock, and then it says Teach Love. Oh, there's a little pencil bow. That's cute. And there's like this little double box banner thing. And then we've got lots of bright colors, which I really like. It has obviously more pink, but it has pink and blue, so I like that it's not just girly, because sometimes back to school kits are kind of girly. I'm like, I have a son. I don't want an all girly kit. I am back to teaching geography this next year, so I definitely like this kit for the globe. And then, oh, I like this one. There's the banner. It's bigger, and then she's got like the globe, a paintbrush, and a school bag, and then she's like ready to face the day in her overalls. There's some date covers. I like those. Those are pretty. And then I just bumped the mic again, scratching. Sorry, I have mosquito bites. All right, here's some florals. Got some floral boxes here. And this one says every day is a fresh start. She's doing some yoga. Good vibes on the mug. I'm probably going to make a mug that says that. Good things are coming. She's kind of doing some self-care with like a little bubble bath there. Love yourself. Not sure what this is. Like a sage stick? I'm not sure. That looks like a mirror. And then here you have the like functionals that you can use. Love the colors in this kit. Blue, maroon, a cream, and a green. And then this bottom, I don't know why, but it reminds me of hairpins, like bobby pins. I know they're not, but they like remind me of them. I'm not sure why. And then here's our headers and half boxes. Here's some deco. You guys can see that. And then there's another fresh start that like combine those two boxes together. And then there's the girl doing yoga. And then love those date covers with the flowers. All right, this next one is kind of like, it's summertime, but it's like camping summer. So she's got like the map out and there's like waterfalls down here or cataracts. And then you've got this like welcome map sign with some ivy on it. So that's right here. And then there's like an open area and then arrows on like where to go. It says like things like waterfall this way, forest that way, base camp, Lister's view, and then there's a little puppy, so I love that. And then there's like a little picnic site, 2 girls looking at maps, there's like a little bird in the corner, documenting like some leaves that they found, water bottle, binoculars, a little lemonade drink, I guess, a magnifying glass, and then she's using her phone to take a picture, I guess. So I love that. It's very like nature-esque, nature walk, maybe camping. Like there's no tent, but yeah. Love the colors, red, blue, green, and brown. Oh, look at those little red poppies. I'm calling them poppies, but they're like little red daisies. I like that, little wildflowers. And then there's your headers and half boxes. Oh, the deco's tiny. I love it because then I can make my own full boxes. There's the back of the girls with their backpacks. More of that puppy dog. So adorable. And then some boots, some foods, some books and binoculars. This looks like a bag of snacks. Yeah, I think it's a bag of snacks. And then some leaves. So that's why I was like, it kind of reminds me of fall because of all the leaves. So I don't know. See, that looks fall to me. So I feel like it's a fall camping kit. So you guys might not see this until end of August, beginning of September maybe. And then I love this yellow flower as the date cover. That's bold. I like that. Okay, this one's definitely fall for me. Usually I save this for when we go to like an apple harvest festival because it's definitely like apple harvest theme. So the sign says Sticker Valley Orchard. I think that's funny. Here she has like a basket of apples. They're going to an apple orchard. She's got a basket and a picnic basket. They've got like their cozy clothes for fall and some cinnamon sticks. Probably some apple muffins and apple cider, apple jam or jelly, whatever you want to call it. There is a difference. All right, and then you got your checklist and functionals. And then here's the full boxes. So you've got like a more of a yellowy cream, blue, darker red, and a pine green. And then look at this plaid bottom washi. I love it so much. And then you've got your headers and half boxes. Look at that deco. So cute. Love it. And then here you have the blue truck. Ooh, you guys know I love trucks. And then right here is your headers. It's like red with some white flowers on it. Adorable. So there you go. That's my haul. Get ready for fall. A little bit of summer in there as well. So check out Plannersisterstickers on Etsy. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.